Hey everyone! So today we're going to be making some really cool and healthy pancakes. This recipe is originally from Food Network, but I've taken it and made it whole food, plant-based, so it can be super healthy when you enjoy it. Let's get started. First, we're going to take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and put that in a bowl. Along with 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and set that aside. Next, we're going to make our flax egg. To make a flax egg, you mix flax seeds with warm water. Today, since we're going to be making 2 flax eggs, we need 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in 1/4 cup of warm water. Mix that together and set it to the side. After that, we're going to add our wet things to our dry ingredients. That is going to be 3/4 cup of oat milk, 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of coconut yogurt, or 1 small container of it. Don't forget about your flax eggs. Now the recipe does call for 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but if you're following a whole food, plant-based diet, you don't use oil. So instead, we have 2 options. We can either use date syrup or applesauce. Personally, I like mixing both, so we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of date syrup and 1 tablespoon of applesauce. Mix that all together, and then you are ready to throw this on the skillet. Now, since these are a little bit thick, you do need to make sure that you cook them at a slightly lower temperature than other pancakes to make sure that they get cooked all the way through. One quick tip about pancakes is you know they're ready to flip, or in this case, almost ready to flip, when you pop one of the bubbles that is on them and it doesn't fill back up quickly. All right, so when you are done flipping all of these pancakes and pulling them off, you can add whatever toppings you want to this. I like raspberries and especially peanut butter. Alright, so I hope that you enjoy this recipe and that you always remember to love God, eat greens, get moving. See you in the next video, and enjoy!